Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag Paper Dolls for Poet 2026, hosted by Jamie over at Poetspice. I'll have her channel down below and the hashtag in my title, so you can check out all the other ladies. I have their information down below as well. If you want to see what they created today. We come on every Saturday. In August, we did this in July as well. Jamie opened it up in August, and I agreed because I have quite a bit of dies that I want to play around with. So I thought this was a great opportunity. And this one took me a few minutes because of all the intricate details to this die set, but it was fun nonetheless. So I did an ugly sweater die set that I think I've had in my stash for several years, and I never took it out. Finally took it out, and I like to leave things together like this one. I think I can't because I'm going to have to maneuver this onto, because I think these don't cut, they just emboss. So I may have to cut this one apart, but I'll keep it together until I'm ready to do that. This was a lot of fun, layering all these pieces together on this sweater, and I had a lot of fun. So let me share what I created. Oh, and then I also used some papers that I've gotten from, I think this was 2 years ago. I only buy, well, no, that's a fib. I try to only buy 6x6 papers. That's not always the case, but I do on occasion buy 12x12. And, when you're doing tiny things like this, these papers are perfect for this type of project versus the 12x12s because they're bigger images and stuff. So anyway, I use those two. So let me switch mats, and let me share here is my first ever sweater, and I think it turned out so cute. Oh my gosh, I layered up okay, this is a white layer, and then I took a cream color cardstock for the second layer, and then here's the pattern paper. It's kind of a plaid, and I don't know if you are going to be able to see it better. Here we go. It's really, really adorable, and there's the hanger. I ink the edges just to give it a little bit, of a vintage feel. Love this tree, little teeny tiny gold glittery star, little teeny tiny pieces. But this one, whew, this one was a bit. It was a bit, and I think I messed up on this bottom portion of the sweater. There was a little piece right here that I was supposed to layer the brown piece with, but anyway, I cut that part off. I'm like, I screwed it up. I don't want to take it apart. It's a little shorter, but that's okay. So this is white cardstock, and this piece I cut out of like a tan or craft cardstock. Then here's the pattern paper. It's like a brownish paper. And then I cut out the gingerbread in a darker brown, kind of a little bit darker than this. This is the other side of this paper. And that's another thing. I love these papers because they are double-sided. I mean, they don't normally come double-sided, not in the 12x12. And a lot of companies are not doing that anymore, which is kind of sad. I think there's still a few like graphic 45 paper is double-sided, and there are some DCWV paper that you can still find online. They normally have double-sided paper, and I think, oh, Echo Park. Yeah. Okay. Well, there are quite a bit of other people still have, but you have to buy them online. You can't go to the store anymore. So, yeah, that's sad. Even Hobby Lobby, their paper is not double-sided. It's all one-sided. But I enjoyed making this little Gingy with the little white bow tie, and then his face was not like that. It was, I used a Signo Uniball pen to draw in his face because it was indented. It wasn't, cut out. And I added all the squigglies, all the icing, I guess. I just thought this was so cute. Oh my gosh. So here are my two little makes, my two embellishments for hashtag paper dolls for Poet 2026. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.